Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be going through the current portfolio with emphasis on the closed trades. Let's have a quick look at some of the option strategies that have been used and can be used. If higher prices are to be expected, buying call and selling put vertical may be suitable. If lower prices are to be expected, buying put and selling call vertical may be suitable. If the price is expected to be range bound, buying a butterfly and selling iron condor can be used to capture the profits. If the price is expected to be range bound and also has the potential to move in a direction, it could be a bullish direction or a bearish direction. Buying a broken wing butterfly can be used to capture the profits. More strategies and explanations can be seen from the website. Let's take a look at the summary of the closed trades. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. Let's proceed to take a closer look at the trades. Let's have a look at the chart of GLD. Gold has been beaten down for the past few weeks before a reversal has been seen. This reversal is an opportunity for me to enter the market for a nice return. The trade was exited on 13 October. In summary, this is a bullish trade. There's entry price of $1.07 and exit price of up to $2.15. Every counter has its chance to shine. This time, gold has been spotted and it has shined. A nice 101% gain for this trade within 4 days. Let's have a look at the chart of MNKD. Big money has been spotted early in the year. This is a bullish play that has encountered some ups and downs with a strong movement in October. The trade was exited on 4th October. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of 35 cents and exit price of up to $2.10. Being able to detect the big money movement is critical to my trading success. A nice 500% gain for this trade. Let's have a look at the chart of AAPL. This is another reversal play in AAPL where stock price is expected to bounce higher. The price came back strongly and the trade was exited on 5th October. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $2.34 and exit price of $1.29. This means that I've collected $2.34 at the start of the trade and paid back $1.29 upon exit. A nice 45% gain for this trade within 6 days. Let's have a look at the chart of BBBY. The stock has been weak and a good chance for the price to remain sideways or even lower. Thus, I've executed a broken wing butterfly to capture both sideways as well as bearish momentum. As expected, the price drifted sideways before drifting lower. The trade was exited on 9 October. In summary, this is a neutral bearish trade that's entry price of 17 cents and exit price of 1 cent. This means that I've collected 17 cents at the start of the trade and paid back 1 cent upon exit. A nice 94% gain for this trade within 11 days. Let's have a look at the chart of BUD. This stock has been pressured lower for a good number of days before the strong bounce finally came in and reversed the trend. The trade was exited on 5th October. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of 18 cents and exit price of 43 cents. A fast play within 3 days. A nice 139% gain for this trade. Let's have a look at the chart of FE. The trade was entered on 2nd October. I took the opportunity of this upwards momentum and the trade was exited on 5th October. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $1.05 and exit price of $1.57. A nice 50% gain for this trade within 3 days. Let's have a look at the chart of MMM. The entry was on 6th October when MMM has hit a support level and the trade has been spotted with an expected rise in price for the next 1 to 2 weeks. And the trade was exited on 10th October. In summary, this is a bullish trade that's entry price of $1.30 and exit price of up to $1.61. A nice 24% gain for this trade within 4 days. Let's have a look at the chart of Nike. Despite the big rally in the indices, Nike has not managed to make its move to the upside. It has been left behind. And thus, there's an opportunity to trade this counter. The trade was entered on 16th October. And it was exited on 19th October. In summary, this is a bullish trade that's entry price of $1.14 and exit price of up to $1.70. There are many ways to play the market. Looking for neglected stocks is one such opportunity. A nice 49% gain for this trade within 3 days. Let's have a look at the chart of OCN. The price of this financial stock has been moving sideways for a period of time before the price surged in late September and early October. The trade was exited on 4th October. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of 68 cents and exit price of $1.02. A nice 50% gain for this trade. Let's have a look at the chart of SPX. Big money has been spotted to have placed a hedge for a market move to a lower price for the week. Indeed, the price movement has gone lower within a day. And the trade was exited on 10th October. In summary, this is a bearish trade that has entry price of 90 cents and exit price of $1.80. Knowing the big money movement is critical in this trade. A nice 100% gain for this trade within 1 day. Let's have a look at the chart of ORCL. ORCL is expected to stay neutral with some slight bullishness in the next 1 to 2 weeks. And the price did remain range bound in the next few weeks. And the position was exited with profits on 10th October. In summary, this is a neutral trade that's entry price of 31 cents and exit of 15 cents. As this is a credit play, this means that I've collected 31 cents upon entry and given back 15 cents upon exit, resulting in a nice profit. A nice 52% gain for this trade. Let's have a look at the chart of TXN. TXN and has been on an uptrend for many days with not much of a downwards movement. So, I've decided to tap on its upwards momentum for a day or two. The entry was on 17 October and the opening for the day was weak. This provided me with a good entry price and I've exited the trade on 18 October. In summary, this is a bullish trade. There's entry price of $1.10 and exit price of $1.45. Being able to place OCO is a crucial component in this trade. If the trade is against me, I would want to be out fast. If the trade hits my sell limit, I want to take my profit fast. A nice 32% gain for this trade within one day. Let's have a look at the chart of YUM. This is a reversal trend play where the stock price is expected to stop going lower and to start moving higher. The price did move higher and the trade was exited on 6 October. In summary, this is a bullish trade. There's entry price of $1.20 and exit price of $1.76. Being able to know when the trend reverses plays a very big part in this trade. A nice 47% gain in 7 days. Once again, this is the list of closed trades for the month. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. For the open positions, they are available under the portfolio section. You can go under Trade, Portfolio, and you will be able to see all the open trades available. Do note that big money is inside many of these positions, and they are the potential targets of merger and acquisition. When that happens, this will send the stock price surging to the roof. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.